Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 4 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Another thing worth to mention is to check the battery level, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So I recommend to check, and if the battery is above 20 or 30%, you should be good. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So let's open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the app, tap on the devices icon, and here select your HUAWEI Watch GT 4 from the list. Now, scroll down through this page and find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on Restore. Watch will disappear from the device page. And it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings after a couple of seconds, as you can see. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.